This video presents our portfolio of high-frequency medical X-ray systems, including OEM and SKD assembly-ready solutions. We offer various product categories, applications, and detailed SKD logistics for seamless integration. Advantages of HF technology, stability and consistency, lower patient dose, compact footprint. System classifications. High-frequency medical X-ray solutions includes handheld HF, potable HF, HF monoblock, HF generator 3-phase, and HF generator single-phase. Handheld HF having X-ray modules of varieties 140 watt, 2 milliamperes to 70 kilovolts, and 350 watt, 3 to 5 milliamperes variable, 60 to 70 kilovolts variables. The SKD parts includes the HF tank, screen, motherboard, supply board, battery, and charging adapter. Also, this portfolio includes the features and available customization for the same. The portable HF with X-ray generator power 5.6 kilowatts, which has 5 to 100 milliamperes tube current and 40 to 125 kilovolts bi-ray beam energy range. The SKD parts for the portable HF includes the HF tank, screen, motherboard, supply board, battery, and charging adapter. Also, this portfolio includes the features and available customization for the same. Our portable HF monoblock portfolio is designed for complete human and veterinary radiology examinations. The portable HF monoblock X-ray generator power has two varieties, 5.6 kilowatts, 100 milliamperes to 125 kilovolts, and 6.3 kilowatts, 150 milliamperes to 125 kilovolts. SKD parts include the HF tank, screen, motherboard, supply board. Optional accessories are mobile stand or floor-mounted ceiling-free floor-mounted system. Customer can choose as per their end-use objectives. These optional mechanicals also can be made locally by customer to avoid logistic cost for mechanical parts. The HF X-ray generator power has two varieties, 32 kilowatts, 400 milliamperes to 125 kilovolts, and 40 kilowatts, 500 milliamperes to 125 kilovolts. Both generator requires single-phase power supply, which is unique in its category, making it ready to use for end user. Plug and use without stabilizer. SKD part includes X-ray generator, LCD touchscreen control panel, and X-ray tube head. X-ray tube head can be procured by customer locally if they have options. Otherwise, we club X-ray tube head with X-ray generator SKDs. Customization options cover color, labeling, logo printing, and branding, as well as customization of the LCD display screen and APR images. Star Nuke provides optional mechanical accessories, including spring-balanced mobile and floor-mounted fixed X-ray stands. These accessories offer smooth operation, wide compatibility, and reliable performance across various clinical applications. The HF X-ray generator in 3-phase power supply has two varieties, 50 kilowatts, 500 milliamperes to 150 kilovolts, and 80 kilowatts, 1000 milliamperes to 150 kilovolts. SKD part includes X-ray generator, LCD touchscreen control panel, and X-ray tube head. X-ray tube head can be procured by customer locally if they have options. Otherwise, we club X-ray tube head with X-ray generator SKDs. Customization options cover color, labeling, logo printing, and branding, as well as customization of the LCD display screen and APR images. OEM customization is available for the enclosure, logo, branding, and APR image settings on the user interface. Complete OEM FPD solution for global X-ray manufacturers, which include wired and wireless DR in two sizes, 14 by 17 inch and 17 by 17 inch detector. Parts includes FPD panel, OEM accessories, cables, wireless module, charging dock, DR imaging software, USB. Private label customization, including flat panel detector OEM solutions. We deliver advanced, reliable X-ray systems under your own brand, fully customized for your market. Star Nuke ships X-ray systems in SKD format, with core modules and subassemblies sent separately. Local assembly offers faster setup, lower costs, and flexibility, backed by our expert technical support. We provide private label solutions with full customization, visual identity, branding, and software UI. Create X-ray systems that reflect your brand while ensuring top quality performance. We partner with medical equipment distributors and local assemblers, as well as diagnostic chains and government tender partners. Join our global network and help bring advanced X-ray solutions to every healthcare facility. All-Star Nuke systems are ready to dispatch from in-house stock. With our one-day order dispatch policy, we ensure fast, reliable, and hassle-free delivery. For more information about StarNuke and our X-ray solutions, please contact us through email to info@starnukemail.net or through WhatsApp or phone to +91 7073 577 706. Our team is always ready to assist you with inquiries, support, and partnerships. Thank you for watching.